Hello my beauties, how's everyone doing today? If you are new here, my name is Zona and I welcome you to my channel. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share the videos. And if you are a returning beauty, welcome back. On this video, I'm showing you how I take this old thing, about 5 years old 4x4 wig, into something nice, something beautiful that almost looks like a frontal. Because this line here, let's face it, is no longer a good look. Please don't forget to share with your friends who might still have their 4x4 wigs and want to elevate how they look. You will need your got-to-be glued spray, a band to secure the wig, tweezers for a bit of plucking, a foundation that matches your skin tone, oil powder, and a brush. And this one is completely optional, a hot comb, but you can still achieve this without a hot comb, curler as well, and a straightener if you want to be curling it. So let's jump straight into it. You're gonna start off with your stocking like this, just so that your hair is lying flat. But if you have plaits, maybe you might get away with not putting on a stocking, but my hair is currently not plaited, so I'll put that on. I'm gonna go into that foundation that looks like my skin tone and just put it lightly where my part is. I'm gonna be doing a middle part, so I'm just tinting the stocking so that it's not so obnoxious over the wig. Taking the wig and the tweezers just so we can pluck it lightly. So you're plucking next to the middle part to make it look a bit more natural, just plucking some strands of hair, but you don't want to get carried away with this. Can you all see it? Plucking some strands of hair. Just watch yourself, don't wreck yourself, okay? Also want to just open it, next to the parting. You just open a line like this and plug inside that. I hope you guys can see this. Going into that foundation brush again that we used to tint the stocking, and turning the wig around like this just to tint the inside. Okay, and tinting where we will be parting. Put it on. Just tinting it now from the outside. Just gonna pull the stocking a bit closer. Okay. We're gonna go into our got-to-be glued spray. Just gonna spray on here, just tracing out the entire area where the 4x4 starts and ends. So I'm just gonna dry this up a bit. So we don't want it to be completely dry, just a little bit tacky. Then place it on here. This side of the left hand. Just gonna do that. Really starting to take shape because most of it is on this part here, making sure to lift it up. But to cover this part, can't really get it to be super slick for straight, and if it's straight I want it to be super sleek. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and curl this, but it is optional to curl it. If you want, you can just go on with your bad self like this. We just remove the band, but I'm gonna quickly curl it. You still have the bounce, you still have that because it's properly washed, and that is the final look. Our closure looking so laid for just a 4x4. I love it. Put it on the side, this would also work, but I don't want to mess up what we've already set now. But in terms of laying and actually showing a bit of forehead, we did achieve that look. Thank you so much for watching. If you did find this useful or helpful in any way, do hit the thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also, if you do try it, do show me via Instagram, even if you just tag me on your photo or send me a DM, and I am at Zonaza. I like it, guys. Nah, I'm happy. I'm not about to throw away my hair just like that simply because it's looking outdated. Can never be me, honey. Can never be me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that bell button so that you may be notified whenever I'm posting something new. I'll see you on my next video. Cheerio.